friends. Let's learn the letter R. Can you say R? R is for rabbit, soft and sweet. Look at those ears and tiny feet. R is for rat. Rats like to nibble cheese. R is for rocket, bold and loud, flying above every cloud. R is for rainbow, so many colors in the sky. R is for roar, the lion says roar. R is for race car, zoom zoom, it's super fast. R is for robin, tweet tweet, what a pretty song. R is for rice, yum, we eat rice for dinner. R is for rose, it's a beautiful flower. R is for ram, a ram is a boy sheep with big horns. R is for rug, a rug is soft and sits on the floor. R is for radish, a radish is a red vegetable we can eat. R is for run, let's run fast like a rabbit. R is for raincoat, a raincoat keeps you dry in the rain. R is for ride, I like to ride my bike outside. R is for raptor, a raptor is a dinosaur with sharp claws. R is for roll, we use a roll of paper to clean. R is for red, red is a bright color like a fire truck. R is for rock, let's paint a rock with colors. R is for ravioli, ravioli is a yummy pasta with filling. R is for rinse, rinse your hands with water. Let's remember the R words we saw. Rabbit, rat, rocket, rainbow, roar, race car, robin, rice, rose, ram, rug, radish, run, raincoat, ride, raptor, roll, red, rock, ravioli, rinse. All start with the letter R.
R is for rocket, flying high. R is for rainbow in the sky. R is for roar, loud and strong. R is for race car, zooming along. R is the letter we love to see. Say R with me. 1, 2, 3.
Great job, everyone. You're a rock star at letter R. See you next time.